We're going to dinner, to dinner, to dinner, going to dinner. Da 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 da. I don't know. Today was really good, but I didn't sleep right. I feel like I didn't sleep at all. So thus, I was kind of like exhausted all day long, and my body was like, what do you want me to do? How do I do that? So yeah, that was interesting to try and figure out. But I managed, and today was actually a really good day. I found out that my level is doing the jazz dance, because instead of having like all 5 levels, all do a jazz dance, all do a musical theater dance, all do a modern dance, all do a ballet dance, like we all do a ballet dance, and then we like all do one of the other ones. So my group's doing the jazz dance. So yeah, we just worked on that for 2 hours. But it's really cool and it's fussy, so gotta like that fussy. Also, it rained again. There was also a big thing of thunder earlier, and I think that's very exciting. I want more thunder. More thunder and lightning, y'all. It's raining again. Honestly, I'm kind of hoping for like thunderstorms and lightning, because that would be exciting. Unless the lights go out again, then I don't want it to happen. Ah, thunder. I don't know if it can pick up on the camera. I want more lightning. I would just like to say, putting on pajamas right out of the dryer is the best thing ever. Oh my god, they're so warm and cozy.